In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Webull Dark Mode. This walkthrough is designed for the Webull desktop application on Windows or Mac, and will keep it simple, clear, and distraction-free. Dark Mode can make long trading sessions easier on the eyes, reduce glare in low-light environments, and help your charts and watch lists feel a bit more focused. Start by launching the Webull desktop app. Give it a moment to load your workspace and make sure you're signed in so the settings panel is fully available. If your app looks outdated or things don't match what you see here, consider updating to the latest version through Webull's official site or the app's own update prompt. A quick restart after updating can make the appearance options show up properly. Once you're in, look for the settings gear icon. Depending on your layout, this gear could be in the top right corner, bottom left corner, or within a sidebar. It's typically a small gear symbol labeled Settings. Click it to open your preferences. If you have multiple windows or monitors open, make sure you're clicking the settings for the main Webull window so the change applies to your primary workspace. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Theme or Appearance. In some versions, this may be grouped under General or Display, but it will usually be easy to spot because it controls the overall look and feel of the platform. This is where Webull lets you pick the color scheme that affects menus, panels, watch lists, and most of the interface. Think of this as the master switch for the app's visual style. Now, select Dark Mode instead of Light. As soon as you choose Dark, you should see the interface shift right away. Panels will adopt darker backgrounds, text will adjust for improved contrast, and the environment will feel more comfortable for evening trading or low-light rooms. Most versions apply this instantly without needing to hit Save. If the change doesn't appear immediately, close the Settings panel and reopen it, or briefly restart the app. If you ever want to switch back, return to the same section and choose Light. That's it. You launched the Webull desktop app, opened the settings gear, found the theme or appearance section, and selected Dark Mode. For the best results, consider matching your monitor brightness to your room lighting so the new theme feels natural. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Dark Mode setup.